Hi, this is John Walker from $100.com, and today we're going to be learning what's inside of the Edit Buttons Settings and Style menu. Okay, click the button, and here we go to Settings, and here we go. Okay, first we have button alignment and text alignment. If we click to the left and see the text left, center, and right. Okay. The same width for all menu items. This means you see how this button is longer than the others. If you click that, it makes all the buttons the same size. So we really have to stretch this in order to see. There you go. See the button come up. Okay. So that means that we'll uncheck that and pull this back. And under that is stretch buttons to fit all available space. All available space is everything inside the boundary box. This blue line. So if we click that, see how the buttons come together. And now when this box is unchecked, then we can come up and use the button alignment. So we'll click it over and it's align the buttons for us within that box. Right, click that back. In the more button label, this is for, say, we will squeeze all the pages together like that, and now we'll be able to see more buttons for the viewer, and we can just change the name. If we click that, this will give us a drop down list of the other two pages that's on there. More pages. See, easy. Okay, and that's how the settings work. So now we're gonna come down to change style. Click that, and it looks familiar, just like the image editor. So we're gonna hover over the presets again, and it's gonna give us a preview of what each preset looks like. Okay, well, so now we're on the button menu. We're gonna go over to edit style, and here we are. And again, it looks just like the image editor. I'm sorry, the image change styles. So here we have, and the buttons. We have change skin, colors, and fonts. We can change our corners from being round or square. And we also have additional edits is enable shadows and spacing with in between the buttons. Like when your buttons aren't, like when they're not touching, when they're separated, you can actually control the spacing and the border width. Okay. Again, it's just like the other ones, the other edit style, the image and the text, but it's a lot more options in the buttons. We see we have the options to change every state of your button. Change the color, and over here, this is all the opacity for every state. Okay. All right, and here we can go in here and change fonts. It's pretty self-explanatory. Again, uh, change the corners. See, after you change like to 0, you will see it. That it's really neat and it's cool too, because it really does change the look of your buttons. All right, and that's it. This is the button change styles menu.